Hello, creative ones. Hello, darlings. Welcome back to House of Minon. It's been a while, and so today, darling, we'll be learning how to make this latest Zara cap. So this is the material that we'll be needing for this tutorial. Just go through it: your shiny face, clothing marco, flower, streaming, scissor, tape rule, needle and thread, stone, glue gum, and bistal stone. And so this is the measurement I'll be using for this Zara. So my Zara is 25 by 17 inches, and the bed side is 40 inches by 10 inches, and the back side is 3 by 18 inches. So this is the Zara. So I have to repeat this video for those of you that said you don't understand the last videos on Zara. So this is our Marco. You can call it Moko, you can call it Marco. This Marco is, you can get it from people that sell leather fabric. For people that sell leather material for shoemaking, this is what we call Marco. This is used for shoe, and so this is the measurement. You can use 3 inches by 19 inches or 2 inches by 19 inches. It just depends, and you can even use 4 inches if someone wants something that is very big. And so this is it. And so this is my crinoline, and this is flower. You can use anything to cover the back. You can make a rose, you can use patches, you can use accessory, just name anything that you can use to make it so beautiful. So this is it. So to the back, you can just make it short. It just depends on the client. Like the one I have on this video, I will be posting 2 different types, like maybe 2 or 3, so I can see it. I have the one that is very bold. My clients want it like that, and you can make it so short. If someone don't want something so big, try to reduce it. It's not everybody that likes something that is very big. And so this is the measurement for the side. For the bust side, I think I'll be using 18 inches. I use 12 inches if you want something that is very short. You can use something 12 inches. Make sure you ask your client what your client wants. If it's something that is bold, go for that 18 inches, and if it's something that is not bold, go for that 12 inches. So you're going to be cutting that out. So your crinoline and this belt is going to be the same measurement. So I'm going to be cutting this out. I'll be cutting 8 pieces out. You can use 7 pieces, you can use 8 pieces, you can use 6 pieces. Just depend how full you want it. And if you want to add more to it, just depend how you want it and how your client wants it. So I will be cutting this out. So don't forget, I said you can use 19 inches, we can use 12 inches. If you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're a whole subscriber, thank you for coming back again. So this is it. I'm going to be cutting this out. I'm going to make sure it has the same measurements. Just see what we are doing. Look at what we are doing. It's very easy to do. So I'm trying to cut that one. So I think that is it. That is the pieces. I have 8 pieces. Again, I have 8 pieces. And next we'll be doing now, I'm going to be I'm going to be turning it out. I'm going to turn it out. Again, I have to show you that measurement. I use 18 inches by 8 inches, and if you want something short, 8 inches by 12 inches. So this is my crinoline that I'll be using. So make sure when you are using this kind of clothing, this is a little bit hard, not that soft. This clothing is a hard clothing. It's not that hard, it's not that soft. So just look at this. I'm going to be using this clothing. I think this size of clothing is like 3 inches wide. I think it's 3 inches wide. So I'm going to begin out the clothing now. I'm going to turn out the belt out. I'm going to use my scissors to turn it out. You can use a pencil to turn it out. You can use pin to turn it out. It just depends on what you want. You can use your hand to turn it out. So I'll be turning this out one by one. I'll be turning this out one by one. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is it. I've already had our clothing inside it. So the next thing I'll be doing now is I'm going to be folding just like this, just like this. I'm going to be folding just like this. I repeat again, this is a bold design, so you can reduce it if your client don't want something that is too bold. So I'm going to be doing that, a running stitching. I'll be picking the next one. I'm going to be arranging just like that, just the way I'm doing it. And see the way I'm doing, you fold again. Can you see? Just keep doing that till you are done. You pick the next one, you fold, you make a running stitching, making four. You pick the next one again, making five. Can you see now? So I've already made that. Look at it. I think I later remove one from it. I think I later remove one for it. So I'm having 7 inches. So I'm going to be tying this very well. Make sure you tie this, and when you are done with the tying, just use your needle and thread to secure that part. Make sure you sew it with your needle and thread so it's not going to lose back. So I'm going to be sewing in and out. So I'm going to be sewing in and out. Oh, see what we are doing? No, just sew in and out. Make sure your sewing is very tight. Can you see? Wow, that is the back side. Wow, 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 wow. So the next thing that we'll be doing now, we'll be showing the Zara. So see again, I'll be showing this one. The next thing on my list is my Zara. So this Zara, I've already joined this Zara. I tried to show you, but because I just have to make this video, so because it's been long, I dropped a video. So what about this Zara is that this is the Yomoko. You can check my old videos on how to make Zara cap. Yes, I think I saw a video. So the length for this is 25 inches by 16 inches. Again, 25 inches by 16 inches. So our moko is going to be 3 inches by 19 inches. Our moko is 3 inches by 19 inches. You can use 2 inches. It just depends on what you want. And so this is the time part. Just use what is good for you. And what we're going to be doing now, I've already joined this one, so the measurement is going to use. So I'm going to be showing you from the back. Don't join the, can you see what I'm doing? So I'm going to fold that Zara into two. You know my own, I've already joined my own inside, but I'm showing you how you're going to do yours. So you're going to fold that Zara into two. You notch it into two like that. You take the fabric, you notch it again, so that you're going to join just like that. Then you place it on your sewing machine. Then you sew it down just the way I sewed the front. Don't sew two Zara together. I'm just showing you how I joined it. So can you see? You sew it. That is how I made the front. That's why I shaved the front. The next thing I'll be doing now, I'm going to be taking the two belts and I'm going to be tying. I will tie it like that. And before you tie it, make sure you take it to your dummy's head. You can also use your own head to make it like it sits properly on your head. Sometimes your client can say, I don't want it to cover my hair, so you just have to make it tight. But if your client wants it to lose on their head, make sure you're going to lose the tie. So I'm going to tie it and I'm going to secure that part with needle and thread. Look at the back. This one is not a tying one. Oh. This one I've already made it. So just like a red meat, just put on the head. No tying, no stress. Just like something that you're doing like auto gilly. You know, when something is auto gilly, that means it is ready. So we call this ready to wear Zara cap. So this is the next thing we're going to be doing, so the bar, you're going to be joining that this to the back. Again, you'll be joining that to the back. You secure that part with your needle and thread, and notice, don't use hot glue to glue that part. Make sure you use your needle and thread to secure that part. You can just go inside the sewing and use something to cover it. You can use, I'm trying to see what I'm going to use. You can use this flower, you can use patches, you can use accessory, you can make a rose to cover the back. Do you understand? So this is the front part. The front part, you can stone it, you can embellish, you can just do something that is very okay for you. So this one is already joined. I use my hot glue to make that part. And this is the back. I used patches. This is called patches. So I've already called the patches to cover the back. You can use flower, you can use rose to cover the back. So the next thing I'll be doing, and I'm going to be stoning it, is I'm going to be giving it a full stone. And this is my basic stone. Just drop a little gum on it and you place it on the fabric. Can you see? So just stone everything, just stone it just like that. And so this is it, and this is how it's going to be look. This is how it's going to look. This is the final look. I later had more stone to hit. I later had more stone to hit. So this is it, darling. This is the final look. This is it. You can use your ashoke, you can use your ankara, you can use your doll face. Just use the fabric that is okay for you. So darlings, I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye darlings, see you next time.